Back on Tuesday.
And 5 non-local quarry workers were killed early Tuesday morning in a suspected Al-Shabaab terrorist attack in Bur Abor village, Mandera East. The incident occurred at approximately 7 a.m. with eyewitnesses and initial investigations pointing to suspected Al-Shabaab militants as the perpetrators. The victims, who were deployed at a local quarry, were targeted in what local officials have described as a tragic security incident. The killings have caused widespread fear and tension among residents of the village, with security authorities rushing to the scene to begin investigations. Earlier on, I spoke to Mandera County Commissioner, and this is what he had to say. Joining us now on the line is Mandera County Commissioner Henry Ochako, following this morning's deadly attack in Bur Abor village that has left 5 quarry workers dead. Walk us through what happened this morning and how your office first received the information about the attack.
Okay, thank you for calling me. As you didn't say, my name is Henry Ochako. I'm the County Commissioner for Mandera. Today morning, we received a report of an attack on around Bur Abor village, which was targeting quarry workers who were headed to the quarries that are within Bur Abor village. So the reports we got was that it was an Shabaab attack, but we are carrying out investigations to establish who could have organized and carried out the attack. Usually, we have quarries around that area, and usually the vehicles that transport the quarry workers to those sites are given escort by the National Police Reservists. But unfortunately, we are told that this vehicle that was carrying the quarry workers started operating on that route today. I mean yesterday, not today, yesterday. And today, the driver who was driving yesterday, today was a passenger. So it was another driver who was driving. And they didn't wait for the escort of FBRs to be availed before they left for the quarry sites. So, and that is how, unfortunately, we lost the 5 people, workers who were headed to quarries, and we are investigating to establish how this could have been, how they left the security escort behind, and went without the official clearance.
Okay, thank you for that. And given Mandera's repeated exposure to such incidences, what long-term strategies are being implemented to enhance border security and protect civilians so that such do not continue to occur?
We have an elaborate plan with the quarry owners that require them that at all times, whenever the quarry workers are going to do the quarrying, they must be accompanied by security officers, either Kenya Police, Border Patrol Unit, or the Rapid Deployment Unit, or the Kenya Police Reserves, the National Police Service. But unfortunately today, it appears that they left without the usual escort and the security protection that is usually given. So that is what could have led to this kind of unfortunate happening.
All right. And in that case, what message would you like to send to the residents of Mandera or the workers at the quarry at Mandera East who are now living in fear after the latest attack?
We have suspended the quarrying activities in that area until the quarry owners come and ensure that the MOUs that have been signed before between the quarry workers and the security committee within Mandera East is respected.
Okay.
Remember, this area, we were there yesterday, we were launching a sub-county called Carario, and everything seemed okay. So it's a route that is relatively secure, and we want to assure the people that we have enhanced security, and we want to assure them of their continued security.
All right, then. Thank you so much, Commissioner.
You're most welcome.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.